Hi, this is Lily. Welcome to my page. Again, this is a beautiful day here today at Mangere Bridge, where Toi is celebrating the first actual village celebration for ever. It's never been done before, so here we are. This is Toi Village. The Fair Day is today. It's the 15th of August. It's actually my birthday today. And also, they're at Mangere Bridge Community Centre. So if you want, come on down. There's so much food. There's so many things to buy. There's so many stalls. I haven't even gone inside yet. So this is the ones for outside. And absolutely awesome here. So good. So good. And here we have the girls. Here we have the girls. The twins are here. Hey, can you guys turn around and I'll take another photo because I think the light is good this way. I think the light is much better this way. You want to turn? Just come over here, but I see the light is good, so I can take a photo of you guys. Ready?